In today's video, you will learn how to make a homemade body scrub for cellulite and stretch marks. Have you ever heard that exfoliating is an excellent way to get rid of the dead skin cells and blackheads, and also to facilitate the absorption of your moisturizer by the skin? Another benefit of exfoliating your skin is that it helps reduce stretch marks and cellulite. Usually, the most troublesome area for cellulite is below waist, buttocks and thighs, right? An easy and cheap way of exfoliating your skin at home is using coffee. Have you ever heard about coffee scrub? We already have a video with 3 recipes of facial coffee scrubs. Watch the video to learn more about it. Exfoliating your face with coffee offers some incredible results, since it softens the skin and also removes all the dirt to make your face smooth and clean. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients to make your body scrub for stretch marks and cellulite. 1 cup coffee powder, 6 tablespoons coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons sea salt. Mix everything until smooth. Before your shower, scrub the areas you want to treat with a loofah or sponge to prepare your body. During your shower, apply the coffee scrub with circular motions. The longer you massage the affected areas, the better. Caffeine stimulates blood circulation and reduces the inflammation of tissues. The salt grains make an intense exfoliation, and the coconut oil nourishes the skin. Let the scrub act for a few minutes, then rinse the area with cold water. Dry with a soft towel. For better results, exfoliate right after showering, as your pores will be open from the heat, and it allows the coffee scrub to reach deeper layers of your skin. After exfoliating, apply some moisturizing cream to make your skin even softer. You can use your coffee body scrub twice a week. Besides all the benefits we mentioned before, exfoliating your skin improves blood circulation, lessens red stretch marks, and stimulates the growth of new skin cells. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.